Hello, this is Steve with South Florida Water, and what I want to do today is give you folks some idea of what hard water versus soft water actually looks like. And also it gives you an idea if you were to ever have a sales rep into your home, what you can expect. How long does a test take? Just have your water tested. And we call it a little soft water demo, and it only takes a matter of a few minutes. But I'd like to show you the test that we do when we come into your home to test your water. Basically what we do is we take water samples, usually about 3 water samples from your tap, and that water is going to be hard water. And then we take another 3 samples and we run the water through our little mini conditioner. The bottom of this is ion exchange resin. That's a water softener, and the top of this happens to be coconut shell catalytic carbon, and that takes chlorine and ammonia and things like that out of the water and makes the water taste really, really good. So what I'd like to do first is just do what we call a precip test, and this will actually show you all the minerals and such that are in the water. This is pretty interesting. The reason I'm going to count these drops is because I like you to actually see this test is honest. Whatever I put in one jar, I will put in the other jar. We'll do exactly the same with both, but you'll see quite a difference in results. Here we go. I gotta put my glasses on here, so here we go. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're going to precipitate the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while that sets for just a few minutes or so, you can already kind of see a difference. I was say let it set and fester a little bit, but we're going to let it set for just a few minutes. And while that's sitting, we're going to do another test. This is actually my favorite test. This is called a soap test. And what this will show you is when you're doing laundry or dishes or just literally lathering up in the shower, what a difference having this softer water makes. Watch this here. This is pretty interesting test. This is just pure soap. That's all it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And watch what we do here. You not only will see the difference between soft water and hard water, but you can actually hear the difference. It's kind of crazy. Listen to this. Soft water, hard water. Okay? Matter of fact, let's do this here. Let's add some more soap. So we know we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to quit at 15 drops. Otherwise, just wasting a bunch of soap is all. But this will give you the point of what we're doing here. Okay, so this is hard water. This is soft water. This is hard water, soft water, and you can kind of see the difference. What's happening, and this actually gets to looking a little worse as it sets a little bit. I'll try to put this in front of a light there so you can kind of see what you got here, okay? So what happens is all the minerals and things attach to all your soap. Whenever you suds up or add soap to your water, the soap attaches to all these minerals that are in the water. And that's why you're getting this effect right here. And it doesn't have the ability to lather up because the soap isn't separating from the water. If we subtract those minerals and things that are in your water, well, presto, the soap has nothing to attach to, and therefore you get the nice white head of soap on there, and the soap just goes down the drain. That's what gives you the spot-free showers and the spot-free dishes. And then I'll just do one more quick test here. This is simply a hardness test.
Before you do that, that stuff that's in that hard water, what is that? Why is one clear and one not clear?
Well, you have a lot of calcium and lime in the water. There's lots of things in the water. There's over 700 things in the water. You have like chlorine, ammonia, chloramines, lead, mercury, arsenic, metals, sediment, cyst, all those things that are in the water, as well as the calcium. And so what we do is we remove that from the water. And by a conditioner, the top part of this is the coconut shell catalytic carbon. That's what removes the chemicals from the water. And then the bottom part's what removes the minerals from the water. And that's what gives you the spot-free, really good tasting water. And this is a hardness test. And what we like to do is just show you how hard is the water in this area. So this happens to be the lakes area. It's just right on the corners of Tampa Bay. Okay, it's in Tampa. But watch this here. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now what we're going to do is we'll put a little tablet in here. When I add this tablet, we're going to add 1 tablet to each one. When I add the tablet, what that does is it'll show you the difference. The soft water will turn blue, the hard water is going to turn red. And here you go, a nice pretty blue. And then what we do is we chemically soften the water. So let's put all these together. That's filtered, these are not filtered. So let's put all those together. Now what we're going to do is chemically soften the water. And we're going to find out how hard the water is. And what we have is a chart that we go by. And that chart will show you my chart. Where's my chart? Well, I guess I'm not going to show you my chart. But that chart, what it just shows you is the hardness per gallon. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to quit at 11 drops. So the water hardness in this home on this day at this time is 11 grains per gallon. So 11 grains per gallon, anything over 10 is considered extreme, and that's all that chart was going to show you. It was going to show you the different levels of hardness. Well, this happens to be 11 grains, which means 11 grains of hardness per gallon, which is extremely hard. Pretty much anything over 4 to 5 grains per gallon, you'll start getting calcium buildup in all the faucets and things like that, shower door. And anyway, that's my little demo. This is called an in-home demo, and this is the way we get to show you folks the difference between hard water versus soft water. Thank you very much. And this is South Florida Water. Our website is www.sflwater.com. Thank you.